Welcome to Basic Technology for JSS 3. Today we study hydraulics and pneumatics, two important branches of fluid power technology used in many machines and systems. What is a fluid? A fluid is any substance that can flow. This includes both liquids and gases. Both liquids and gases can be used to transmit force and motion in machines. Hydraulics. Hydraulics is the science and technology of using liquids, usually oil or water, under pressure to transmit force and motion and do work. The word comes from the Greek word hydro, water. Pascal's law, fundamental law of hydraulics: pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. Key formula: P equals F/A, pressure equals force/area. The hydraulic system multiplies force. A small force applied over a small area creates pressure that, when applied to a larger area, produces a much larger force. Example: in a hydraulic jack, a small input force pushes a small piston, pressure transmits through oil, large piston with bigger area produces a much larger output force, lifts a heavy vehicle. Components of a hydraulic system. Reservoir, tank stores the hydraulic fluid, oil. Pump, pressurizes the hydraulic fluid and sends it through the system. Pipes/hoses, carry the pressurized fluid. Cylinder, actuator, contains a piston that moves when pressurized fluid is pushed into it, converts fluid pressure back to mechanical force and motion. Control valves, control the direction, pressure, and flow of the fluid. Seals, prevent leakage of fluid. Applications of hydraulics. Hydraulic jack/hydraulic lift, used in car service workshops to lift vehicles. Air brakes, most modern cars use hydraulic brakes. Pressure on brake pedal is transmitted through brake fluid to brake pads at each wheel. Excavators and bulldozers, the scoops, buckets, and blades are moved by hydraulic cylinders. Aircraft landing gear, hydraulic systems raise and lower the wheels. Hydraulic press, used in manufacturing to shape metals. Lifts and elevators, some elevators are hydraulically powered. Pneumatics. Pneumatics is the science and technology of using compressed air, or other gases, under pressure to transmit force and motion and do work. The word comes from the Greek word pneuma, air, breath. Like hydraulics, pneumatics uses Pascal's law, but with gas instead of liquid. Components of a pneumatic system. Compressor, compresses air, increases pressure, and stores it. Storage tank, air receiver, stores the compressed air. Pipes/hoses, carry the compressed air. Actuator, cylinder or motor, converts compressed air back to force and motion. Control valves, control direction, pressure, and flow of air. Filters and lubricators, remove moisture and dust from air, lubricate moving parts. Applications of pneumatics. Pneumatic tools, power drills, nail guns, spray paint guns, powered by compressed air. Pneumatic brakes, used in large trucks, trains, and buses. Pneumatic cylinders, used in manufacturing and automation to push, clamp, or move parts. Dentist drill, powered by compressed air. Tires, car and bicycle tires contain compressed air. Hydraulics versus pneumatics. Hydraulics uses liquid, oil/water incompressible, gives precise movement. Can generate very large forces. Used where high power output is needed, lifting, pressing. Disadvantage: oil leaks can be messy and dangerous. Pneumatics uses compressed air, gas compressible, movement is faster but less precise. Good for fast, repetitive motions. Cleaner, air is free and clean. Used in lighter-duty applications. Disadvantage: less precise due to compressibility, air must be dried to prevent rust. Remember, fluid equals any substance that can flow equals includes liquids plus gases. Hydraulics equals science plus technology of using liquids, usually oil or water, under pressure to transmit force plus motion and do work. Pascal's law equals pressure applied to confined fluid transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. P equals F/A, pressure equals force/area. Hydraulic system multiplies force, small force on small area pressure large area MUCH larger force. Example, hydraulic jack equals small input force plus small piston pressure through oil large piston plus bigger area equals much larger output force lifts heavy vehicle. Components, reservoir/tank, stores hydraulic fluid equals oil. Plus pump, pressurizes fluid plus sends through system. Plus pipes/hoses, carry pressurized fluid. Plus cylinder/actuator, contains piston, converts fluid pressure mechanical force plus motion. Plus control valves, control direction plus pressure plus flow. Plus seals, prevent leakage. Applications, hydraulic jack/lift, car service workshops, lifts vehicles. Plus CAR brakes, brake pedal pressure brake fluid brake pads at each wheel. Plus excavators plus bulldozers, scoops plus buckets plus blades moved by hydraulic cylinders. Plus aircraft landing gear, raises plus lowers wheels. Plus hydraulic press, manufacturing, shape metals. Plus lift plus elevators. Pneumatics equals science plus technology of using compressed air, or other gases, under pressure to transmit force plus motion. Pneuma equals Greek for air/breath, uses Pascal's law but with gas instead of liquid. Components, compressor, compresses air, increases pressure plus stores it. Plus storage tank/air receiver, stores compressed air. Plus pipes/hoses plus actuator/cylinder, converts compressed air force plus motion. Plus control valves plus filters plus lubricators, remove moisture plus dust plus lubricate moving parts. Applications, pneumatic tools, power drills plus nail guns plus spray paint guns. Plus pneumatic brakes, large trucks plus trains plus buses. Plus pneumatic cylinders, manufacturing plus automation, push plus clamp plus move parts. Plus dentist drill plus tires, car plus bicycle tires contain compressed air. Hydraulics versus pneumatics, hydraulics equals liquid, oil/water iron COMPRESSIBLE, precise movement, very large forces, high power output, disadvantage equals oil leaks messy plus dangerous. Pneumatics equals compressed air, gas COMPRESSIBLE, movement faster but less precise, good for fast repetitive motions, cleaner, air is free plus clean, lighter duty applications, disadvantage equals less precise plus air must be dried to prevent rust. Thank you for studying basic technology with us today.